sorry. Say sorry, oops, I bumped you by mistake. I stop and smile and say, my mistake. I'm sorry, friend. Are you okay? Kind little words can save the day. Sorry, sorry, excuse me. Kind words make us happy. Please and thank you, yes indeed. Kind words are what we need. Excuse me, if someone is standing in my way, I don't push or shout or say, hey. I smile and gently say, excuse me. Then my friend moves happily. Please and thank you. May I have a toy, please? Thank you. With a happy squeeze when we share and when we're kind. Happy friends are easy to find. Sorry, sorry, excuse me. Kind words make us happy. Please and thank you, yes indeed. Kind words are what we need. Sharing toys. If my friend is playing with the ball, I can wait until they call. May I play when you are through? Sure! They say, come join us too. Kind little helpers. When a friend drops something down, we help pick it from the ground. Here you go! With a smile so bright. Helping friends feels just right. Sorry, sorry, excuse me. Kind words make us happy. Please and thank you, yes indeed. Kind words are what we need. Every day, morning, noon, and afternoon. Kind words make our hearts go boom. At home, at school, where